Where are you from? I'm from Malaysia. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. How old are you? I am 30 years old. Would you like a drink? No, thank you. Is it raining? Yes, it is. Do you need an umbrella? Yes, please. Do you need anything else? Nothing else, thank you. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. What time does it start? It starts at 8 p.m. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like. How does it taste? It's delicious. What's your job? I am self-employed. Do you have friends? Yes, I have. When are you leaving? I am leaving tomorrow. When is your birthday? My birthday is on June 10th. Are you busy? Yes, always. Thank you for watching.